How to activate Santander Bank Credit Card. Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video on this channel. If you're also trying to activate your credit card of Santander Bank, then in this video I'm going to show you the steps on how you can do it. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching it until the end, and let's get right into it. Now I've just opened up the instructions given by Santander Bank to activate your card. So these are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, you need to have the online banking service of Santander in order to activate your credit card. So first of all, log into your online banking, which you can do by searching for santander.co.uk. Once you're here, just click on the log on button on the top. And this is the login page where you can log into your online banking. So when you're online, you just need to click on My Details and Settings tab. Go to Other Services, and then you can find an option called Activate a New Credit Card. Once you do, a OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number, and as soon as you enter in the code that has been sent to your phone number, your credit card of Santander Bank will be immediately activated. So you can just take a look at these steps and follow the steps to easily activate your Santander credit card. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.